Hello, design enthusiasts. Welcome back to Interior Decor Designs, your guide to creating the home of your dreams. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow. Subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button, or share this video to your friends and family. If you've ever felt frustrated by a cramped, outdated bathroom, you're in the right place. Today, we're tackling the ultimate design challenge, transforming a tiny space into a stunning, functional, and modern sanctuary. Don't let square footage limit your style. We're diving deep into the secrets of small, modern bathroom design. We'll cover everything from the design philosophy to the must-have items that make these spaces truly shine. Get ready to take notes, because by the end of this video, you'll be ready to give your small bathroom a major modern makeover. What exactly is small modern bathroom design? It's a design philosophy rooted in minimalism, functionality, and clean aesthetics, all tailored to maximize a limited footprint. This isn't just about painting a wall a new color. It's a strategic approach. It focuses on sleek lines, uncluttered surfaces, and a cohesive, controlled color palette on monochromatic or featuring earthy neutrals. Every fixture and finish must serve a dual purpose: to be beautiful and to save space. We see elements like floating vanities, frameless glass showers, and strategically placed lighting all working together. The goal is to create an illusion of space, making the room feel open, airy, and undeniably contemporary, proving that a small bathroom can be just as impactful as a large one. It's the perfect blend of form and function. The benefits of embracing this style are numerous, extending beyond just aesthetics. Firstly, a small modern bathroom is incredibly cost-effective. Less square footage means fewer materials are needed, saving you money on tiles, paint, and labor. This allows you to splurge on high-quality fixtures like a beautiful designer faucet or sophisticated tiling without blowing your entire budget. Secondly, it is a dream to maintain. Minimalism means less stuff, which translates directly to less clutter and quicker cleaning. With sleek, seamless surfaces, there are fewer nooks and crannies for grime to hide. Thirdly, this design creates a calming, spa-like atmosphere. The focus on clean lines and natural light reduces visual noise, offering a peaceful retreat from the chaos of daily life. Finally, adopting a modern design immediately boosts your home's resale value and appeal, as buyers consistently favor fresh, updated, and well-designed spaces, regardless of size. When it comes to decorating your small modern bathroom, the key is to be intentional with every choice, maximizing space and light to create an expansive feel. Start with the walls. Large format tiles in light, neutral colors minimize grout lines, which tricks the eye into seeing a larger, more continuous space. Avoid busy patterns. Lighting is crucial. Incorporate layered lighting, clean, modern vanity light paired with recessed ceiling lights to eliminate shadows and brighten every corner. A large, frameless mirror is the most effective tool for expanding the room visually by reflecting light and space. For your vanity, choose a floating or wall-mounted unit. This exposes the floor beneath, making the room feel deeper and providing a sleek, contemporary look. Finally, limit your color palette to 2 or 3 coordinating colors. Use the primary neutral for 80% of the space, a secondary texture like wood or stone for 15%, and a single accent color for the remaining 5% in accessories, like towels or a small plant. Selecting the right items is essential for both function and style in a tight space. For the shower, prioritize a frameless glass enclosure. This allows light to flow uninterrupted and visually eliminates a wall. Choose a linear shower drain over a center point one for a cleaner, more contemporary look. For the sink area, a wall-mounted or trough sink is a stylish space saver. Pair it with a wall-mounted faucet, which frees up valuable countertop space and enhances the modern aesthetic. Storage should be smart and hidden. Opt for a medicine cabinet recessed into the wall rather than one that protrudes. Replace bulky towel bars with sleek, minimalist towel hooks or a small ladder shelf. Finally, integrate a high-tech element. like a touch sensor vanity mirror with built-in LED lighting, to blend utility with a futuristic, modern flair. These specific items ensure a minimalist look without sacrificing necessary functionality, while the overall look is modern. There are several sub-styles that thrive in a small footprint. The first is Scandinavian modern. This style is perfect because it emphasizes natural light, clean lines, and light-colored wood accents. Think white subway tile, a light wood floating vanity, and simple matte black fixtures. The focus is on warmth and minimalism. Next is industrial modern. This style uses contrast and texture to create interest. Incorporate exposed dark metal fixtures, concrete look wall panels or flooring, and a subway or hexagonal tile backsplash. The key here is raw, unfinished materials used in a sophisticated way. Finally, consider Japandi, a beautiful fusion of Japanese and Scandinavian design. This is the ultimate blend of minimalism and calm. Use a neutral palette of beige cream and soft gray. Introduce organic handmade elements such as a simple ceramic vase or a bamboo bath mat. And focus on extreme symmetry and clean Zen-like simplicity. All three styles are inherently modern and designed to elevate a small space. We've covered the core principles, from defining the minimalist mindset to selecting the perfect space-saving fixtures. Remember, a small bathroom is not a limitation, it's an opportunity. It's your chance to create a highly curated, impactful, and luxurious space with a fraction of the budget and maintenance. By following these modern design secrets, you can transform that cramped, outdated room into a personalized, tranquil haven that not only looks stunning, but also adds immense value and functionality to your home. Now that you have the blueprint, the real fun begins. Which modern style is calling your name? Let us know in the comments below. Are you going Japandi, Scandinavian, or industrial? We love hearing your design plans. If this script helped you rethink your renovation, please hit that like button and subscribe to Interior Decor Designs for more expert tips on making every square inch of your home beautiful. Click the notification bell so you don't miss our next video. Thanks for watching and happy designing.